What's up guys? John McLennan here, and in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play About a Girl by Nirvana. This song just uses a couple chords and I'm going to break it down into two parts. You'll be able to play the whole thing at the end of this video. I'm going to show it to you in standard tuning. If you want to play along with the original version, it's in standard tuning. If you want to play along with the live MTV Unplugged version, you just tune down a half step. Before we get into the lesson, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. I really appreciate your guys' support and I appreciate you subscribing to my channel. There's tons of guitar lessons on the channel and new ones being added all the time, so I'm really here to help you get better at guitar. Thank you so much for your support. Let's get into the lesson. The first section just uses two chords and it sounds like this. We're going to be using an E minor and a G chord. Let me show you those chords first. For E minor, we're going to play 6 strings. We'll play open E, then second finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, 3rd finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, open G, open B, and open E. Now, I would recommend using your 2nd and 3rd finger to start. You may notice that I just used my 2nd finger. It's a little bit more advanced way. I get both those notes with one finger, so I sometimes play it like this in my videos, but I'm playing this chord, E minor. Then we're gonna go to G, and you may know G like this. I actually would recommend for this song playing kind of this folk style G. We're gonna put our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, then open D, open G, open B, and 4th finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, the high E. I'm gonna mute the A string. With my 3rd finger, it just kind of arcs over and mutes the A string, the 5th there. So we're gonna go from E minor to G. And each chord is gonna get 2 beats. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And that's gonna be the first section that we play. Now, if you want to do the strumming just like the recording, we're going to do 8th notes, and that's going to go like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... We're going to just go down, up, and alternate. Down, up, down, up. We'll do 4 strums there on the E minor, and then 4 more strums on the G chord. So it's going to be 8 strums per measure. That's why they're called 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and... That's going to be the strumming that we can use for the whole song, is that 8th note feel. So here's the first section. Of the verse, then we go to this B section. So the B section uses a couple bar chords. Let me break that down for you. You're going to play your 1st finger on the 4th fret of the A string, and then you're going to bar the 6th fret on the D, G, and B strings. And you can use your 3rd finger or your pinky. That's also another option, whichever's comfortable for you. We're gonna go 1 and 2, and this is a C sharp bar chord. And then we're gonna put a G sharp in the bass. So we're just gonna change that 1st finger to now include the 6th string. So it's gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Then we're going to go to F sharp. Another bar chord, 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the E string, 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the A string, 4th finger on the 4th fret of the D string, 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the G string, and then 1st finger doing a bar covering the B and the E strings also on the 2nd fret. So this is like your typical, you know, like an E bar shape here, but on the 2nd fret. This chord is F sharp. So So that chord's gonna last 4 counts. So the first measure of the B section is, and then to that F sharp, C sharp, over G sharp, F sharp. After we do that twice, like we just played, we play a measure of E. This time it's E major. So instead of E minor like we had in the verse section, we're gonna add our first finger to the first fret of the G string, and we'll go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're gonna go A to C. This is the only time where our rhythm changes. We have some chord anticipation. So we're gonna play the A chord, which is open A string. I like to use my second finger on the second fret, first finger on the second fret of the G string, and then third finger on the second fret of the B string, open E. We're gonna go A to C, and C is gonna be from the A string down, 3, 2, open, 1, open. And it's gonna come on the and a 2 like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you can go down, up, down, up for that measure. So coming from the E, the measure before, 1 and 2 and 3. And that's the I can see you every night. It's on the word night. And then we're just back to that E minor G. So let me play the whole B section for you. It sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, A, C. Back to the groove. There you go. I hope that this lesson really helps you out and breaks down those 2 sections. Remember, if you want to play along with the MTV version, you got to tune down a half step. So that means tuning all your strings. Instead of E, A, D, G, B, E, you're going to tune E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, B flat, E flat. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We've got new videos dropping all the time. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single video. We're here to help you get better at guitar. If you want to click the link in the description below, you can get a free PDF that's over 100 pages long. That's all about soloing. If you're interested in that, you can get that for free as my gift to you. Thanks for your support, and if you could leave a comment below any future lessons, requests that you want to see for future videos, get that in down below, and any engagement just really helps out the video, so I appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.